Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, June 19th, and first up I need to say happy birthday to my mother who watches every day and always reminds me if my hair is out of place or if I've worn a shirt too often or if I forget to upload. So we appreciate you all the time, Pat, and we love to see you here in the store. Now, today we are going to be, and for the next few Wednesdays, we're going to be reviewing some of our favorite blenders because blenders are fabrics that we order again and again, but we don't always highlight them. Blenders are the workhorses of the quilting world. You'll find them all around the outside edges of the shop, and they work as solids or as pattern, but they also give color without kind of overwhelming with pattern. So this particular group is called Floral Elements, and it is a line of blenders with a fresh attitude. This exquisite design has large-scale floral motifs with vivid and sparkling hues in several shades, and we have over 40 colors of this in the shop all the time. This is by Art Gallery Fabrics, which you know I love the hand of. It works really well for clothing as well as for fabric. And in some of these, if you come in, you can see there's several layers of it. On some of these, the flower is lighter, and then you'll see a kind of a minor flower design in the background. And that changes depending on the base color of the fabric and the two colors that go on top. Like, for example, in this one, you can see that base color much stronger, and this one has kind of a lighter feel to it than the previous one. And then the next one, you can actually see the light parts a little better. So even though it is one collection, it has lots and lots of dynamic to it. And it's honestly one of my favorites. So this is one of the things that we love getting and re-getting from Art Gallery. So in the description of today's video, I'll be sure to put a link so you can see all the colors of the Floral Elements collection by Art Gallery and all the other blenders that we have here in the store. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.